If you want a change of the background color in Figma, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to change the background color by selecting a frame and updating its fill settings. This is a quick design trick that can help you make your mockups, landing pages, and app screens look much cleaner and more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Figma tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and look at the canvas. The very first thing you need to do is click the frame you want to edit so it becomes selected. You can tell it's selected when you see the blue outline around it. This step is important because the background color change only applies to the frame you're working on. If you click outside the frame, you won't be editing the correct object. Once the frame is selected, move over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where Figma keeps most of the design controls you'll use while editing. Scroll down until you find the fill section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling a little lower in the properties panel. The fill section controls the color or visual appearance of the selected frame's background. Now click the color square next to the word fill. A color picker will open up, and this is where you can make your changes. If you want a simple background color, choose any solid color you like from the picker. You can drag around the color field, adjust the brightness, or enter a specific hex code if you already have one. If you want something more creative, you can switch from a solid fill to a gradient and create a smooth color transition instead. And if you're designing a more visual layout, you can even drop in an image as the background fill. That gives you a lot of flexibility depending on the style you're aiming for. After you pick the color or fill type you want, the frame background updates instantly, so you can see the result right away. This makes it really easy to experiment until your design looks exactly the way you want it. If the background still doesn't look right, just go back into the fill section and tweak the color, gradient, or image until it fits your design. So just to recap, select the frame, scroll to, fill in the right sidebar, click the color square, and then choose a solid color, gradient, or image background. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.